was mad. She used to work in PG County. I know how to get those kids.
Stacey, you gotta move your head.
Look, don't start it.
Not in real life.
That's not good. That's blood splatter all over the TV show.
And somebody's gonna have to work tonight.
Oh.
Who's that? Who's down?
Alyssa.
Listen, you gotta
You
jump
gotta
up.
move your
You
arms.
gotta jump up and down. Get up.
Listen, move your listen, move
There
your
you go.
arms.
See?
Oh, really? To move your arms like that?
Yeah.
Oh, Cheryl's got to get up now. Who's winning? It's about even right
It's
now.
pretty much even. What's the
I
one
kicked
down once?
Jody's
That's
ass twice.
You didn't know?
Shut up, Vince. Oh, baby!
It's
Time was so slow.
Upload this like
it. You got it once.
What's it? Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
What's
So
up,
you
little
and
one?
Tracy were the same person started twice.
Yeah, there you go. John, I knew I'd like you. Because you're kind of like the newest one here, and I was going to pick you out. You're picking me out. I'm just giving you a
Getting
warning.
ready to
got
break
me.
off, right?
Who's winning? Who's winning?
I will tell you this, Jerry.
I know,
this
she
is
got
the
me
super
twice, I
fight
got
I've
her
seen all
once.
night. You know, what I've realized is that you against anybody is a hell of a lot more entertaining.
Oh, girls, did you hear that? Make it entertaining, girls.
Why do you want to get closer to the
Stacey's
TV?
sucking on my
Yeah.
lollipop
Didn't
while she's
Jason put
playing.
that thing there?
The
for
scary
me?
thing is, I don't want to fight Stacey in real life. She's got like the hand up in the air. She's blocking her face. She
Oh,
will
you're
bust
sweating.
my
I will tell you this. Hey, Joel, any of us